picking up it.
Say, hey Lily. Hey, Cammy. Oh, she wants to look at you.
Hi, Lily. Look, she's picking up her head.
Look, she's picking up her head. Look at that big girl. Those two big girls.
That's a baby.
That looks like a big girl doing exercises. Can I say hey to her?
Hi, Lily. Mama, is it a video?
Mm-hmm.
Grass coolers, Lily. Lily.
Oh, cute.
Lily, do it. Lily, you can do it, Lily.
She's picking up her head good, isn't she? That's not easy.
Put your down and put it up. Good job, Lily. She's following my directions, Mommy.
Oh, good.
Down, up. She's listening to me. Look, she's listening to me.
Yeah.